The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 BMW X7 with the factory installed raised side rails. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream TimberLine base roof rack system. That consists of the JetStream load bars in silver. Black is also available, 50 inches in length, and the TimberLine towers, which come in a set of 4. Locks are optional, but not required. It's simply a security element. Overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds, evenly distributed, and crossbars have a spacing of maximum of 59 inches. So a great system for all sorts of different types of gear, bike, water sport, snow sport, even cargo. So this has just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple of clicks, visit the link in the description below. Well, that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.